Hi everyone. Here in this video, we are solving the problem on simple harmonic motion and on simple pendulum. The problem is like this. No time period of a second's pendulum gets affected when it is taken to a height equal to half the radius, when it is taken to a depth equal to half the radius of the earth. So, first of all, I want to tell you that second's pendulum is someone whose time period is 2 seconds. We know time period, it's a simple pendulum. Time period of simple pendulum equal to 2 pi into root of L by G on the earth. That is 2 seconds. Now we are talking about a case when it is taken to a height equal to half the radius of the earth. Then G gets affected in that case. Neither L nor pi gets affected. So depending on how G gets affected, its time period also gets affected. So let us talk about that. At a height equal to half the radius of the earth. We know G dash varies with G as G of R by R plus H whole square. It is based on the inverse square law. I'm not going to prove it. Please look into the gravitation chapter if you are not aware of the proof, right? In this place, H is equal to R by 2. So G of R by R plus R by 2 whole square. That is G of R by 3R. R plus R by 2 is 3R by 2 whole square. So its value will be G of 2 by 3 whole square, that is 4 by 9 times of G. That is new gravity. As the gravity changes, new time period will become 2 pi into root of L by G dash. That G dash is 4 by 9 times of G. That is 3 by 2 of everything else is same, original time period. Original time period is given as 2 seconds because it's a second pendulum. So the time, this new second pendulum have a time period of 3 seconds at a height equal to half the radius of the earth. We just want to continue that problem to find out at the same depth. So at a depth that is also equal to R by 2. We shall know how does G varies. G of 1 minus depth by R. I am also not deriving this. Please look into the gravitation chapter if you would like to know the proof. This G 1 minus depth is R by 2 by R. So G dash is G of 1 minus 1 by 2, that is G by 2. So new time period will be 2 pi into root of L by G by 2. That is root 2 times of original time period. Original time period of second pendulum is 2 seconds. So 2 root 2 seconds is the answer at the depth. 3 seconds is the answer at the height of the place where height and depth is equal to half the radius of the earth. This is how we need to solve the problem. Thank you for watching.